So I just got this old deal here. These guys are like, hey, you need to buy a new regulator because it's leaking. And it is, but it's leaking right here. I sprayed it with, I just used like some cleaner, and you just spray it. You'll find out where it's leaking, but it's leaking all over the place. There, and there. And we're leaking there too. Looks like. Yeah. Not real bad, not like that. But anyways, so when it goes up to here, and then you can kind of, figure out, do I have a leak anywhere? Just by spraying this. So this is a really good thing to find out, especially, this is argon, but if you're dealing with some acetylene or something like that, this could be your life. So this is definitely something worth checking anytime that you end up with some new equipment that's used or even new. So I'm going to remove this and get some Teflon tape or some thread sealant. Let's see what we can do. It's just old, so anyway, I decided to make a little video real quick